Today you are going to learn how to be free from brain fog issues if you are going through spiritual awakening journey. In this video, I will be sharing with you some practical techniques that work immediately on your brain conditions, and the reason for brain fog could be anything, and that you need to check out how much you need to do. So all the techniques that I will teach you in this video will be focused primarily on reducing brain fog immediately, and it will be beneficial for you if you are going through Alzheimer conditions, dementia conditions, multiple sclerosis, schizophrenia, bipolar disorder, or anything that condition of your brain, also called cognitive dysfunction. First, look out for these symptoms. Whether you are experiencing these symptoms in your life, the first symptom could be lack of focus and concentration. You are not able to focus or concentrate on anything that you want to do. It could be communication with other people or in any work, in any activity, in any action of your day-to-day life. Second is you cannot think clearly. You are not able to make decisions. Also, you are not able to pay attention. You are also suffering from ADHD. You are not able to pay attention to anything in a concentrated way, and you are always having hyperactivity in your mind, obsessive thoughts. And also you need to know that when you are going through spiritual awakening, most of your oxygen supply in the brain and the prana supply in the energy channels is exhausted very fast. Why this happens? Because Kundalini takes away most of the prana and most of the oxygen is used in the processing of that prana in your system, and that is exhausted pretty fast because of the continuous combustion happening in you, in your energy channels, to push Kundalini up through your spine for clearing the karmas, for clearing the energy channels, for purification, for transformation. And this is a continuous work. Even if you are enlightened, then also these symptoms would be visible in your system, and there is no other substitute to reduce brain fog other than the technique that I am teaching right now, and it works immediately. Whatever may be the intensity of your brain fog, if you apply this technique, you will get results fast. So first of all, you need to drink some water and increase the amount of water you drink every day from today onwards. This is the first supply of fuel that you put into your system, is drinking water. Next is that you need to do mouth exhalation throughout the day in every activity that you do, like this. So whatever activity you do, you include mouth exhalation, long exhalation, and that will be throughout the day in every activity. For example, I'm just giving you a common sense advice that you don't have AC, you don't have fan. I'm using this traditional handmade fan which is instinctive to the brain, and you will feel that when you do such activities, you start doing instinctive function. In most of my videos, I have told you about the activities that you can do. It could be brooming the house, it could be sweeping the house, and see just this activity. And while doing this activity, I am using the mouth exhalation. For example, like this. What you are doing with this is you are cleaning the air, atmosphere of your energy field, and you will feel that a breath of fresh air is coming with this fanning by hand, and you are getting fresh supply of oxygen and prana wherever you are. So start doing this and you will notice the difference. And while you are walking, you are moving. This you do, and then the next technique is doing external kumbhak, external breath hold. How to do it? Inhale slowly from your nose. Exhale slowly from your nose, deflating your belly. Your belly should go inside when you are deflating, and it should inflate. Belly should come out like inhaling. And then hold your breath. Where to hold your breath? This is the point. This is the point where you have 2 points of depression here at the point of your nose, and you need to hold it and close your nose completely. So I will show you, and you do it with me at least 3 times. And this time hold it for longer duration. If you have too much of brain fog, then you need to hold your breath for longer duration like this. And release. Do it again. One more time. And after doing this, you do tapping. So you can put a timer, and in both keep your eyes closed. You can do tapping. You can do tapping for your entire body, but primarily for your head region. First, and this sequence could be repeated. For example, you do it dedicatedly for 10 minutes, 3 minutes of external kumbhak, then doing 2 minutes of tapping, then again doing 3 minutes of external kumbhak, and then 2 minutes of tapping. In this sequence, you do for 10 minutes, 4 to 5 times in a day or 10 times in a day, depending on the intensity with which you are suffering from brain fog. And the last thing is that you could sit in malasana or squat pose like this, and this will benefit you more. And in this pose also you can do external kumbhak. This will reduce all the negative energy from your lower part of the body, and you will feel better every day. And do this squat pose 10 times, at least minimum of 10 times in a day to get better result, faster result. All these techniques need to be implemented with the dedication to be free from your brain health condition. And if you do so, you will be freer sooner. The intensity and intention matters with which you do. If you are doing this all from your mental or logical mind, then you are creating an obstacle for yourself. So don't create obstacle. You work practically and do some instinctive function. Try to find out ways in which your body responds in an instinctive way. For example, this, I am fanning this. What it is doing? It is using the energy of my body in a natural way, and this will help me a lot to reduce my brain fog. Also, I am clearing the atmosphere, the energy field with clean air, fresh air. I am breathing in fresh air. So it makes a lot of difference when you apply these techniques. Alright, so this much is enough for this video. So have a great day and bye-bye. Thank you.